Microsoft 535. I think you know about all the features, the specification of this mobile. This is my Microsoft Lumia 535 purchased in 2015. It has earlier previously 8.1. Now I have upgraded it to Windows 10. Let's see what new is here. And one thing more, if you really want to enjoy a smartphone, you must have internet throughout the time. If you work at home or office, you must have Wi-Fi or totally full internet service. Let's start. First of all, I want to show you about the Cortana services. What is Cortana? Everyone must be something amazing glad what is Cortana. It's just like Siri in Apple. Let's start. There are two ways how you can open Cortana. First is either direct click on the switch Cortana, or you can directly go to this search option. If you press like this, Cortana will open. Let's start. What Cortana actually do? Here you can see that something is questioning, and one is speaker volume. This is the mic. You have to press it and automatically it will type. Let's start about Cortana. Hello Cortana.
Hello there.
Cortana, sing a song for me.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are grey.
So you can see that Cortana has already sang a song for us. What you have to do, you can use Cortana for much more services, such as for any emergency or urgent, you can call Cortana just like this. Click on this. Call Ma.
Certainly, calling Ma.
You can see the call is automatically going. Here the call is automatically going to Ma. I have ended the call. So these are the features you can directly call. So when you will click this Cortana, you will get immediate service. But the thing is that two options you have to keep in mind. First, you have to make sure that your internet service is on, and second, the location must be on. You can switch on the location by pulling the tag from here. Now you can go to get a location just by clicking this option. Let's see. Here is the location. This one you can get by choosing it. Okay, let's come to the point. Okay, what Cortana mode service can put? Let's start Cortana. Here Cortana already started. Let's do something. I'm just feeling bored. You can ask Cortana, tell me a joke.
Where do earrings go on holiday? Bali.
Okay, well, tell me a non-veg joke. Cortana is just finding out what is non-veg joke. Hope that Cortana can take it out.
I can't connect at the moment. Try again in a little bit.
Okay, Cortana didn't took it. Okay, let's start again. Tell me a sweet joke.
My joke engine has limitations. For example, this joke has 18 words, references itself, and is not funny.
Okay, just Cortana has replied that it don't have so much of jokes, but it can. Let's say something more about Cortana. Hello Cortana, you are very beautiful. No, it's just taken misplaced. Let's start. Hello Cortana. Is the Microsoft Cortana has already been open. You can ask something more. Will it rain tomorrow in Calcutta?
good, Cortana. Here's the forecast for tomorrow in Kolkata.
Oh my god, it's just awesome feature. Whenever you want, suppose today I am from Kolkata, and you can have much shower during this time in August and September. You can get the details about tomorrow, whether it will rain or not. You can set also more thing. You can ask about the temperature today also. Let's start. What is temperature today?
The forecast shows partly sunny skies with a high of 39 and a low of 27.
Oh my god, see the features of the Cortana. It's totally awesome features. Not only limited to this, you can also have a different type of alarms, reminder setups. Let's start like this. Cortana, set alarm tomorrow at 5:30 a.m.
Certainly, I have set you an alarm for 5:30 a.m.
Okay, it's just awesome features what Cortana is exactly doing. If I want to say something more, Cortana, set a reminder tomorrow at 2 p.m.
What's your reminder?
I want to remind about going a visit to doctor.
Okay, I will remind you I want to remind about Savoya visit to doctor at 2 p.m. tomorrow. Is that right?
Yes, it is right.
Should I remind you?
Yes, remind me.
Great, I will remind you. You can also see it in your reminders list anytime.
Okay, it's just awesome features of Cortana what you are getting. And if you want to make more reminds, such as like this, let's talk something new about Cortana. What I say? Hello Cortana, please change the reminder.
Okay, what should I remind you about?
Reminder to change the reminder.
Remind you when?
Remind tomorrow at 2:30 p.m.
When did you want to be reminded?
2:30 p.m.
I can remind you to reminder to change the reminder at 2:30 p.m. tomorrow. Sound good?
No, it's not good.
Should I remind you?
No, don't make a remind. Cancel it.
Sorry, should I remind you?
No. No.
What do you want to change?
I want to change the timing.
When is the reminder for?
The reminder is at 3 p.m.
When did you want to be reminded?
Calcutta.
Sorry, when did you want to be reminded?
At 5 p.m.
Sure, I can remind you to reminder to change the reminder at 5 p.m. tomorrow. Is that right?
Yes, it's right.
I'll remind you.
Now you can see the great features of Cortana, what Cortana exactly can do. It's just the awesome features. Okay, let's move something to a new track.